Hey guys, WhiteTrashFPV here, and today we want to talk to you guys about something super complicated, not super complicated, but super geeky. It's something kind of cool. So you have your drone set up the way you want via Betaflight, or yeah, that's the only program that I know of how to use, how to do this properly. And you want to save your settings in the text file, but you want to be super geeky about it. You don't want to actually save it through your profile tunes. So, what is one of the ways you guys want to do it is through the command line. Now, what's super cool about this is actually how you're going to do it. Obviously, you need your drone plugged in. Today, I'm going to be using the Meteor 65. Plug it in, obviously. Always keep a fan running on it while sitting stationary. And what you're going to do is go ahead and pop over to Betaflight. Now, what you want to actually do is instead of going into the presets tab and hitting save backup, you want to go into the command line. And the command you want to type first is diff all. And you wait for it to autocomplete. And this is the exact same settings you will get when you set up your drone. Now, what you want to do is save to file, and it's going to give you this information as a text document. Now, what you do with that is just obviously hit save and you're good to go. Now, everything you have set up with that drone is backed up and ready to go. So you can actually go ahead and just tweak it to a different profile, different whatever you need to do with it. And if you have to go back to what worked, all you got to do is just open that file up and enter it back here in the rate profile. Or you know so thanks for watching, guys. That's all I have on today's tutorial. And like and subscribe if you want to see more, or if you haven't, whatever. So later for now.